here we are. This time I'm getting ready to pour into a wooden mold. This is going to be a weight for my canopy tent. So when I go to craft shows and I'm setting up, initially it'll set on these weights and won't blow away, and save me a little time and effort. It also is going to raise it up a couple of inches, and I could use that. So I've got the pot melted, cleaned out. I am not going to bother fluxing it, but we are just going to pour this all the way to the top. So let's do it. Get the ladle, brand new ladle, heated up. I may have to stand back a little bit in case I don't know how this is going to work. Let's see. So far, so good. It's probably going to take almost the whole pot. It'll be interesting to see how much weight this one's going to be. I'm going to take a guess. I'd say about 15 pounds. I don't know. So I've got these bolts that'll be embedded into the lead. Yep, I figured it was going to take pretty much the whole shebang here. I have to level that out a little bit. Smell the wood cooking a little bit, but it seems to be holding up so far. I don't know how much that tinfoil was going to actually help, but it's worth a try. Let me try to level this. Alright, that's a little bit more level. Let's see if we can put some more in here. Yeah, looks like it's up to the wood. Alright. Now, the last thing I need to do, I'm going to have to put this hook down in here. That way I can tie a strap to this and be able to carry it around. So, we'll see how it does when we get it out of the mold. Okay, let's start working on getting this out of the box, out of the mold. Wood is cooking a little bit, but still holding up as far as I can see. Get these bolts off. So again, this is these bolts. That's where the tent leg is going to attach. Ooh, still hot. Yikes. Yeah, gotta let it cool down a little bit. That nut is pretty hot. Whew. But I can keep taking these screws out, I think. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You. Yeah, I'm going to take this off because I didn't want the wood to totally cook. It's not too bad. I've got to make 4 of these, so I'm hoping it'll hold up for 4 pours. We'll see. But I think it's going to work. Alright, so I got the next pot loaded up. It's probably going to take me all day to do all 4 of these. So, it's the way it is. Alright, so I had to loosen the screws to get this out because it's straight sided. So, box looks like it's going to hold up for another go around. I'm curious to see what this did to the aluminum foil. It certainly did not melt. Yeah, that cools off all the way. I think it's going to peel off nicely. Yeah. Okay, I got 3 more to make.